Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to start out the video talking to you guys because I'm going to be doing a beginner's makeup series and today is the first episode. So pretty much with the beginners, I'm pretty much just going to be showing you, how to do basic eyeshadows. Like if you're not comfortable with doing eyeshadows or you don't know how to do it, this will be videos on where you will learn, and that way you will gain confidence on doing eyeshadows. I know before with me, um, I was scared to do eyeshadows, so I would just stray away from it and I would just do like my basic, face foundation, and then that would be it. But I'm really excited and I have a couple of ideas that I wrote down last night. I was just up, I couldn't sleep. And so I just wrote down a few ideas on, how to help you ladies become more comfortable with doing your eyeshadow and having the confidence in doing so. So it's going to be, little basic steps on how to do it. So I hope you guys are excited just as I am, and let's hop right into this video. Go, Kelly, go, 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 Kelly, go, go, Kelly, go, 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 Kelly, go. Alright guys, so we're going to jump in and we're going to use our Morphe X Jeffree Star palette, and we're going to go into the shade Boss Angeles, and we're just going to use this as our transition shade. So all we're going to do is we're just going to put a little bit on the brush, and then we're just going to do back and forth motions across our eyelid. Throughout this whole process, I want you to know that blending is your best friend. I put this part of me doing my eyes in real time because I wanted you to see how much blending you have to do just so it doesn't look so harsh or look separated. So it's only, I want to say this part is maybe like 6 or 7 minutes long, but you'll see like with the blending, you will have a flawless look afterwards. Now we're going to go into our next shade, and this shade is called Fast Lane. It is a dark black, and we're just going to put that on our lid, and then we're going to move upward with the color. And then we're going to slowly blend out the edges just a little bit, but not a lot. You will see that the two colors are still separated, but then we're going to use a third shade to make it all come together. Okay, so as we're steadily packing that color onto our lid, because I wanted to be as dark as I could, so I did go back into the palette a few times because I wanted to deepen up that color. But we're going to start to blend out the edges just so it doesn't look so harsh with the color, and we're still moving upward on the eyelid just a little bit because I wanted to make sure that where I had the other line, that it was even with this eye as well. Now we're going in with our final eye shade. The shade is called Hi Dude, and it is a deep brown. And we're just going to put that just on the top of where we put the black eyeshadow, and we're just going to blend all of that together. This is to make the black look like it's disappearing into the smoke, kind of from going like from a dark black to like a deep brown to that tan shade, which was like our transition color that we had put on. So all of it is going to come together and it's going to look so bomb. Just look, keep watching. So I did go back into that first shade, Los Angeles, because I felt like I lost it a little bit. So I just went back into the palette and added a little bit more. And then I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush with no product, and I'm going to blend for my life. Like, I literally blended, I want to say for at least like 2 to 3 minutes, but it's so worth it. Like, it's so worth it. You have to take your time when it comes to your eyeshadow. You will see that blending will become your best friend. So for my blending, I'm just doing circular motions and I'm going back and forth across my eyelid, going in circles, circle the whole time, but I'm moving back and forth because I wanted to make sure that everything was evenly blended out, and also just wanted to make sure that all of the colors came together as well on the edges. I didn't want the edges to be as harsh. If you feel like you're losing a lot of color while you're blending, you can go back into the palette as many times as you like to deepen up a color. Look at that, after all that blending. So good. So I went ahead and applied my lashes off camera. I have a separate video of how I apply my lashes, but I think I will do another updated one for this series. Look how good the eyes look. Like, sis, if you just blend for your life, all of your eyeshadow looks will come out popping. Okay? So this is for my girls who just want to do the standard, makeup look. I will have a second part in here right after I complete the rest of my face, and we're going to do an under eye smoke out as well. This is really like my OG highlighter. Like, I just love the BH Cosmetics Wild Radiant highlighter palette. It's so bomb. So now I'm going in with, this is actually an eyeliner pencil, but it was like the darkest brown that I had, so I just used it for my lips. That was the kind of look I was going for. And then I'm going to go in with my She Believes by Jazz B lip gloss. This is in the shade Nutmeg. Go check out her website, shebelievescosmetics.com. Like, all of her lip products are so bomb. And then we're going to go in with a black eyeliner, and we're going to put that in our waterline to make our eyes just look even more sensual and smoked out. So once you get your under eye as dark as you want with the black eyeliner, we're going to go in with our white concealer. This is by Revolution. This is the shade C0.5. And we're just going to take a little bit of that on the back of our hand, and we're going to get a flat top brush, and we're just going to put just a little bit underneath our eye. It's not to make the color that we're about to put on bright or anything. I just wanted the loose pigment to stick to my under eye. So we're going to be using this dark blue shade. This is a pigment by Mayo Makeup. You can get it at mayomakeup.com. I want to say I paid like $18 for it, but it's really good. But I didn't want the color to be as bright, but I did want it to be noticeable, but it was a loose pigment, so I just needed it to stick to my eye how I wanted to. Do you see how good that looks? Like, I was feeling myself when I looked up in the mirror. I was really feeling myself. Like, this look came together so bomb. My eyes look so smoky. It looks so sensual, so sexy. Like, I feel like you ladies would love this look. You have to try it out. You have to. And now we're going to be going in with another brush, and this is just to blend it out, just so it doesn't look so harsh and doesn't have the line where you can see that I was dabbing the pigment onto my under eye. It's just going to smoke it out just so it matches the top of my eye. This looks so good. So now I'm just going to take some highlighter that I got from the Ipsy package. It's literally a Ipsy highlighter. I don't know the name of it, but I just wanted to close off where I did from the beginning of my eye, from the top and the bottom, and it just made this look so good. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it was very informative. And that is the final look, guys. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. I'm so excited for this series, and make sure you guys subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell right next to the subscribe button just so you won't miss another upload from me. And I will see you guys in the next video.